Hi, boys and girls. This week we have some new Letterland patterns. This is Unit 23, and this is our word list for Unit 23. At the top of the word list, you can see that we have some new vowel teams. We have IE and IGH. These are our review tricky words. We have two new tricky words, one and lives. This word one is like the number one. And lives. You have some review words and words for list A. Night, pie, lie, light, right, high, tide, might, tight, tries. For our new sentences, we have one night I saw a big bat. Nat lives right down that road. And the story word we have this week is lamb. I'm going to show you how to review these patterns on the Letterland website. Our first team is IE. So when I get to Letterland and I click on Meet the Letterlanders, I can search IE. And look at that. We have Mr. I and Mr. E. Let's click on it. We'll listen to the sound.
I.
Do you notice? Sorry about that. My dog was barking. IE this week says the sound I, Mr. I's sound. Listen again.
I.
Let's listen to the story to find out why.
When Mr. I and Mr. E go out walking, Mr. I often does the talking. He just says his name, I, while Mr. E remains silent as he looks out for dangerous robots. Look at the clear skies today. Mr. I has washed all his ties. Soon they will have dried, but for now he's going to have a picnic. Delicious pies and fries. Oh dear! One of the cheeky magpies has already tried the fries.
So when Mr. I and Mr. E are together this week, they are only making Mr. I's sound. You can see some pictures that represent these words. Fries, the I and the E say I. Pies, ties, flies, okay? Skies. We don't hear Mr. E, we only hear Mr. I. Mr. E is looking out, okay? That's why he has his hand, he's the lookout. Listen to the song.
When two vowels go out walking, the first man does the talking. The first man says his name, I, but his friend won't do the same. But his friend won't do the same.
His friend is the lookout man, watching for the robot band, who catch vowels when they can, as they walk through Letterland. As they walk through Letterland.
So remember, our first vowel, Mr. I, says his name. Mr. E does not. He is just the lookout, okay? So that is our first vowel team for this week. Let's go back to our list. We have another team here, and this team only has one vowel. We have Mr. I and GH. So we'll go back to the Letterland app, and I'm going to search IGH and meet the Letterlanders. IGH. Listen to the sound these letters make.
I.
They make the same sound as IE this week. So all of our words from list A are going to say I. What sound are they going to say? Good. I. Long I.
I.
Let's listen to the story and find out why.
When Mr. I sees Golden Girl carefully being quiet next to Harry Hatman, he often calls out I and gives her an ice cream for being so good. Tonight they are watching a play. A bright spotlight is on two knights having a fight. It is night time, so Lucy Lamplight is using her light as well. She is on the left. What is on the right?
So remember, when Mr. I sees Golden Girl and Harry Hatman, he says I and gives her an ice cream cone. So IGH says I. Let's listen to the chant.
I in high, I in light, I in night, I in right. That's right.
So there's a lot of words with that IGH. So we'll go back to our word list. In all of our words in list A this week, the I sound is there, that long I. When you're doing your written sort, you can do this on Seesaw, or you can print this and do it paper pencil and then just upload a picture. Make sure you put our tricky words in the question mark category. Our IE words here and our IGH words here. You can even see if you can come up with more IGH words that aren't on the list. Or you could add some words from list B and list C. Since we're doing all these units for 2 weeks, it would be great to practice them, all 3 lists. If you get bored with just list A, that would be really helpful, okay? I hope that this helps you understand our unit for this week, and I hope that you enjoy doing some practice. Remember, this is a 2-week unit, this week and next week. So take your time practicing and really master those words. Have fun!